Ayo, sanibonani. Ngiye ngizwe kuthiwa the truth shall set you free. I-America ne-China had a problem, and impi is the only solution. Umhlaba wonke ubheke i-America ne-China njengamanje. All because i-President yase-America uDonald Trump increase ama-tariffs to 125%. That means uma i-China ithenga izinto from i-America izokhokha more, kodwa uma i-America ithenga izinto from i-China izokhokha less. Let's remember ukuthi i-America i-economy yayo iyonke i-worth u-25 trillion. And i-China i-economy yayo iyonke i-worth u-17 trillion. So currently njengamanje impi is the only way to fix the situation. Because let's remember ukuthi everything that i-America has iphume e-China, including expensive brands just like Gucci, Louis Vuitton, Dior, and other luxury brands. Including imoto enjengo-Toyota, including technology njengo-5G, no-Siri, ama-iPhone. Umuntu omnyama ongasile ngekhanda uzoyibuza ukuthi lempi phela eyabo thina sihlanganaphi asingene. Let's remember ukuthi iSouth Africa under i-BRICS. I-BRICS ihlanganise iBrazil, iChina, iRussia, iSouth Africa ne-India. That means ukuthi laba abangani bethu. And so kusho ukuthi if i-America isukela iChina isukela sonke. So if it happens ukuthi impi iyaqala thina sisonke neChina. Izinto eziningi ayisafani nakuqala. Kudala ayemaningi ama-country ayesupport i-America and a few ama-country aye against i-America. Kodwa from unyaka ka-2020 aqala abamaningi ama-country angazwani ne-America. Ngonyaka ka-2024 uPresident Joe Biden wareleasa i-sanction. Le sanction yayithi thina as i-America namanye ama-country asupportayo siyayixosha i-China from ukudayisa i-technology yayo kumazwe ethu. I-China iproducer over 80% of ama-goods adayisa e-America, and i-America ithenga over 400 billion of ama-goods from e-China. Kodwa for some reason uPresident Trump udecide ukuzenza ngcono kune-America. uPresident Trump udecide ukuthi yena akafuni ukukhokha imali efanelekile for